But I still think that now, even if Congress is mandated to process this, Congress doesn't have, the House doesn't have a choice, and the Senate doesn't have a choice once these impeachment complaints are filed. But I don't think that now is the time to go through that. So, paubayan na muna natin sa ating... Total, as a practical matter, papasok na tayo sa campaign period. Wala ng congressman, wala ng senador dahil nangangampanya na sila. Hindi tayo makakapagbuo ng quorum. And so, as a practical matter, the timing is very poor.
Ito, ano pa po yung mga nakalatag na programa ng pamahalaan?
Well, etong katapusan ng lahat ng permanent housing, 98% na ang nabuo ng project para sa permanent housing para sa Yolanda. Specific ito sa mga Yolanda victim. Kaya itong pagka naibigay na, nagpirmahan sila kanina ng mga local government ng MOA para may turnover na ang mga bahay-bahay na ginawa ng NHA at saka ng DSUD. Kaya for this project, kaya naman ipinilit ko makapunta rito dahil ang tagal nating inantay na matapos itong mga proyektong ito. Yung unang ginawa ng mga pabahay, substandard, kulang sa kuryente, kulang sa tubig, walang kalsada, napakalayo, kaya't hindi masyadong nagamit. Ngunit ang ginawa natin ay ngayon, nagbigay tayo ng kaunting pondo pa para yung mga NHA na ginawa na una na technically substandard ay inayos na at pwedeng magamit, inaayos ng mga local government. Lalong-lalo na yung sa Tacloban, kasi yung Tacloban ang pinaka-inuna na ginawa ng bahay, nagka-problema. Kaya ganun, lahat ng mga NHA project na ganun na hindi magamit, ay gagawin natin ng paraan upang maging mas maganda, maging technically na matibay-tibay para maharap naman ang ating mga bagyo na inaasahan natin darating dito sa Pilipinas pa.
Sir, pag-occupied housing units po yun lang nasa Tacloban, the rest of the Region 8, anong order natin sa NHA sa LGU, sir, para mabilis sila ma-occupy?
Yun na nga, yung sinabi ko, inaayos namin. Hindi nga.
Unoccupied pa, sir.
Kaya nga, inaayos nga. That's what I was saying, na inaayos natin yung unoccupied. Ang unoccupied yun, maraming dahilan. Pero ang ginagawa natin para magamit nga ng tao ay binigyan natin ng pondo ang mga local government para maayos nila, para magamit na ng tao.
Sir, on other matters, the DA is set to declare for food security emergency. What is your thought on this, sir?
Well, we are still waiting for the recommendation of the Price Coordinating Council, but siguro next week matatanggap na ng DA yung kanilang rekomendasyon. And the recommendation, I believe, is going to be to declare an emergency. The reason that we are doing this is ginawa na natin lahat upang ibaba ang presyo ng bigas. Ngunit the market is not being allowed to work properly. Hindi nasusundan ang demand and supply curve dahil hanggang ngayon, kahit ibaba mo lahat ng inputs, ang pagbenta pa rin, mataas pa rin. And so, we have to force that price down and we have to make sure that the market works properly, na walang friction cost na nangyayari dahil sa sari-sari, iba't ibang bagay. At yung iba dun, illegal, kaya ito nang iniimbestigahan ngayon ng Kongreso.
Sir,
For?
Conference on sexuality education para sa students. This is going to continue. The conference on sexuality education.
Of course.
What's your stand? Is it going to continue po?
Basta education, I'm in support of it. Always, always. Education. Okay, ulitin ko what I used to say in the campaign. As far as I'm concerned, education is the most important service that we provide to our people. And in many cases, you can consider it to be a right of people to be properly educated. So, katungkulan talaga ng pamahalaan.
Sir, ang question po niya, sexuality education.
Oh, sexuality education. What? Well, alam mo, what does sexuality education mean? Lalaki ka o babae ka, tapos na.
For students,
What? Well, as long as, yun na nga, because you know what, I think what you're talking about, dumadami ang teenage pregnancy, dumadami ang single mothers, dumadami ang sakit na, and even kasama na rin dyan, pagka teenager yung nanay, hindi marunong alagaan yung bata, hindi nila alam, marunong alagaan ang sarili nila, pagbuntis sila, kung anong kakainin, kung nanganak na, kung ano ipapakain doon sa bata. These are all of the things that we need to address. And so the teaching of this in our schools is very, very, very important. And to make young people especially knowledgeable about what are the options that are truly available to us and what the consequences are of having a child too soon, too early. Children having children is a very difficult situation for both the child and the parent.
Sir, is it safe to say that for this year you are dealing with a less than optimal, less than ideal budget? And how are you going to deal with this? Lalo na po this year you will cross the halfway point in your term.
Well, perhaps the budget as was passed, you could describe it as suboptimal. But we are remedying that situation and we are returning the most, well, let me put it simply. Ang ginagawa natin ay yung mga masyadong nawala sa NEP, sa National Expenditure Program, na hindi na nabigyan ng pondo, ay hinahanapan namin ng mga savings para maibalik ang mga pondo yan, kagaya sa edukasyon, kagaya sa health, kagaya mga pabahay.
Sir, budget ng opisina ninyo gagamitin niyo yata doon sa branding.
I'm sorry?
So for tourism, you will use
Tourism,
the office's
yes, we
budget for
already were able to. Natanggal yung branding budget nila, maibabalik natin. So this is what we are doing. So maybe as I said, the original budget can be described as suboptimal. We are working to make it optimal once again.
Sir, your thoughts on JPA's thoughts on impeachment and the INC rally?
Well, you know, JPE is one of our best legal thinkers in the country, and he is right. There is a consequence to. There will be a precedence, and it will be very problematic. But but I still think that now, even if Congress is mandated to process this, Congress doesn't have, the House doesn't have a choice, and the Senate doesn't have a choice once these impeachment complaints are filed. But I don't think that now is the time to go through that. So, paubayan na muna natin sa ating. Total, as a practical matter, papasok na tayo sa campaign period. Wala ng congressman, wala ng senador dahil nangangampanya na sila. Hindi tayo makakapagbuo ng quorum. And so as a practical matter, the timing is very poor.